Welcome back friends, and in Samsung Mobile, if you want to add custom notification, if you want to hear some ready-made custom notification sounds, then in that case what you need to do I'm going to tell in this video. Just see, when you are going to the setting and sounds and vibration in ringtone session, you can add by plus, and here all call recordings or any audio sound is there, you can add. But when you are going to the notification sounds, plus sign is not there. Then how will you add that notification sound here? So that you can select that notification sounds for your purpose, whatever you like. Then in that case what you need to do I'm going to cover in this video. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this video if you like. So just go to the setting, and here you will find notification sound. Presently it is silent. Here you will find many inbuilt original notifications, tunes, sounds. If you want to add, then please download. There are many softwares available. Download that ringtone, sound, voice, or any audio song, and when after downloading it, just go to the My Files. In My Files, just go to the audio files, and here you will find that downloaded. Suppose I have downloaded many things, so I want to add this. So just I will select it and I will copy this. Now I will go again to My Files, and I will go to internal storage. Here a folder you have to search notifications. Here Messenger. Just go and copy here. It has been copied here. Just go back, go to the setting again. In setting, go to the notifications. Then not notifications, setting, then sounds and vibration, notification sounds, and here chal diye. It earlier it was not there, selected. So this is how you can add any custom notifications to your mobile. That's all. Thank you very much.